कितना टाइम लगता है एक ऐड बनाने में, क्योंकि ऐड होती तो सिर्फ 30 सेकंड की है.
There's the production house, there's the agency, there's the marketing team, there are people who will publish it. What I'm trying to tell you is I've seen films that have been approved by the client but have been stuck in the pipeline and released 5 months later. I have seen films which has been released within 1 month.
मियामी में कहीं पे आर्टिसंस करके कोई कंपनी है जिन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा पोस्टर लगाया है कंपनी के बाहर, विच इज लाइक स्टॉप हायरिंग पीपल, हायर AI. क्या AI रिप्लेस कर पा रहा है?
There's still a very long time for AI to reach the human emotion of इसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ चेंगा लाला.
बेसिक्स क्या होते हैं गुड पोर्टफोलियो के, जिसको देख के आप बोलोगे हाँ आई वांट टू हायर दिस पर्सन?
दैट्स अ वेरी कॉमन इजी एक्सरसाइज. कोई भी बहुत आइकॉनिक प्रिंट एड या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया एड उठाओ, आप उसके 4 वेरिएशंस लिख दो अपने पोर्टफोलियो में. वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज.
They gave me a test and it was like, if you were a tree, what tree would you be? मतलब how can a person prepare for a copy test?
I had a question in copy test which said that sell sand to a camel.
Hello everyone, welcome to AdMat Show with Sadhna Malhotra. Today we have our 2 guests with us and I would like them to introduce themselves. So Rupanshi, please.
Hi, I'm Rupanshi and I'm currently working with Leo Burnett as a senior copywriter. And previously I worked with a few social media agencies like Shebang, and I've done a few, freelance comedy writing and everything. And currently I'm with Leo Burnett and I work for PepsiCo. Yeah.
That's great. And Ayushman?
Hello, Sanya. So I'm Ayushman and I'm an ACD at FCB where I've been pretty much most of my life. So my work is mostly comprised of mainline campaigns. And yeah, I'm really enjoying where I'm at. So yeah.
That's great. So what is your background, if you guys don't mind us telling? Graduation kahan se kari, kya kari, and how did you guys came across advertising?
So I basically am a mass media graduate from
Yeah.
Bennett, and it's there when I discovered that advertising is a great subject, and I took it as my specialization. I did a couple of internships with Web Chutney, with Radio Mirchi, and that's when I realized that I really like copywriting. So that's how I started off. I started off with Shebang. That was my first agency, and one thing led to another, and then now I'm at Leo. So that was my brief journey.
And what about you, Ayushman?
Well, I also did my bachelor's in journalism and mass comm, just like her. But back then, I had no idea what advertising was, and so it's a funny incident. There was this placement drive by FCB at my college campus, and it was not supposed to be for my batch. It was supposed to be for the batch which is 1 year junior than me. But somehow I ended up at the interview, and I convinced those people ki, I'm a good fit. And yeah, that's how I got into the agency. And ever since then, I've never looked back.
That's nice. So it seems you were a good fit then.
Unknowingly, yeah, but yeah, sure.
So do you guys mind telling the audience that how is a ad campaign made? What goes behind making an ad campaign? क्या क्या चीजें लगती है? What is the process?
The brief from the client was that Kurkure, the brand, wants to reposition. It wants to be more relatable to the younger audiences. So they wanted to rebrand, they wanted to reposition
Yeah.
themselves as a younger brand. And that's where the strategy team came up, and then they checked out everything, Kurkure's history, what is the current sentiment, and they came up with a space that Kurkure should do something which is more purpose driven, because today's youth really cares about a purpose. So they gave us a space ki, Kurkure should take up a purpose. They should break some conformity as a brand. So breaking conformity was the insight or the strategy pitched to us by the strategy team. So now again, when you say insights, it's a very vague term. It could be a strategy insight, it could be a creative insight. So this was a strategical insight that youth want something more purpose driven. That's how the brief came, that we need to do a campaign that breaks conformities. Now it comes to the creative team. So how the creative team approaches is that what is this conformity that we can break? So we looked around spaces. We thought ki, what are the common issues people face? What could be the Kurkure cut to it? We found a lot of creative insights ki, okay, maybe arranged marriage versus love marriage is one such space. Women in workforce is one such space. then there was this space of hustle culture, which is what we liked the most, that most of the youth feels and relates to the overly hustle culture that is being populated. So we took the culture as our main route, and then we built a campaign on it. So you start off with that. So again, there is no linear process. If I talk about the real industry thing, you can either first write your ad film, then come up with tagline. First have your tagline, then think of the ad film. So again, however it works, it usually starts from an insight, comes to the execution. Beach mein anything can happen in the real industry.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Anything you want to add on to that?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So that was great. That was like really helpful for the audience. And I would like to know कि एक copywriter बनने के लिए क्या qualities एक person को चाहिए होती है. Like if someone wants to get into copywriting, तो उनके लिए क्या qualities होना necessary है, and how do they get into the industry? If you could elaborate on that.
You want to go first?
Yeah, so I guess personally what I feel is that you need to be a very, there's a sweet point between understanding strategy and being a great writer. So a copywriter needs to be a very sweet spot between them. You cannot just be a very good writer and become a copywriter. You cannot just be a really good strategy person and be a copywriter. There needs to be a balance. So personally, again, you need strategic thinking and you need creative thinking to be a copywriter, because again, you could be a really good novel writer, you could be a really good poet, but necessarily you won't be a good copywriter. So again, that balance between creative and critical thinking is needed. Again, very strong observation skills, how much content you're consuming, how much you're observing from that content, how much you're observing your surroundings. Because again, I said it's all insight game. How much, you're able to pick up from lingos of people, what people want, what people think. So that is also a very good skill, that, how observant, how outgoing that person is, and how well that person understands the surroundings and people around them. That is also a very important trait in a
Especially
copywriter.
for a writer who is in digital field,
Yeah.
knowing what's going around, be it on the internet or being matlab, just around your friends, knowing what's trending, and you need to catch it like that, because it's gone, and you can't capitalize on that.
Yeah.
That's like a missed opportunity that it's gone forever.
Yeah.
Right. And but even if I'm moving apart to start with, for a person to get into this journey, craft, there used to be days when craft was really important. It kind of still is important, but nowadays, I mean, you must have seen these college kids. They have the copybook in their hands. They go through it, and they have basically una ratta maar liya us copybook ka, and which is fine, which is important, because you have to know from where advertising came
Yeah.
from and where it is right now. But now craft is important, but what's important is ki how aware you are of what's going on around you. And I mean, I'm sure she has also done some work that I've seen from afar ki she's quite quirky with her stuff. And nowadays people don't really like to read paragraphs on the newspaper. They want that one line, not even on the newspaper, on their phone, on like a notification that
Yeah.
grabs their attention, and that's all they need. And that is enough, kind of enough for a brand to go viral these days. I mean, we've all heard about how great Zomato is doing, and it's kind of every brand wants to be a Zomato nowadays, and that's how they built it. They built it through web app notifications, they built it through posters, they built it through overwatches. So that's just there's just one line you need to actually make a name. But the real grit of a copywriter is tested when there's a brief on his table and he has given it 50 tries, and he somehow encourages himself to get himself the 51st try, because you never know, that might be the one which earns him an
Yeah.
award.
Yeah. So it takes that much time to create a
Yeah.
campaign.
Not always, but sometimes the first thought that comes out of my mind, that can go viral.
So if I sum it up, so copywriter के लिए writer होना तो obvious सी बात है कि
Yeah.
जरूरी
Yeah.
है ही.
Mhm.
But additional, you need to be a really good observer, and you have to write a relatable content. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the rules, because the content formats are changing so much, the rules keep changing.
Yeah.
So currently, if you ask, there is no strict rule. That's, in fact, that's the beauty of advertising too, that you don't have to be a certain way to come into advertising. You don't have to be a certain way to be a copywriter now.
Yeah.
Because social media, maybe everyone is taking over. So again, it's for anyone, everyone who can ideate well and who can, understand people well, cater to target audience as well. Yeah.
So when ad campaign बन रहा होता है, is there a like rough timeline that you can give कि कितना टाइम लगता है एक ad बनाने में? क्योंकि ad होती तो सिर्फ 30 सेकंड की है, पर उसके पीछे कितना टाइम जाता है?
Yeah.
हमने प्रोसेस तो जान लिया, but how long does it take to make one campaign? If you guys can elaborate on that.
I think variable. I mean,
I
he
mean,
would
there's no
also
fixed
agree.
answer
Yeah.
really. I have seen ad campaigns take 5 months and they still haven't got published. They're in the pipeline because production costs,
Yeah.
anything can happen. Because you have to understand that one ad film, there are a lot of moving pieces in that process. There's the production house, there's the agency, there's the marketing team, there are people who will publish it. So, and each of these entities has many levels of approvals to get through. So, what I'm trying to tell you is I've seen films that have been approved by the client but have been stuck in the pipeline and released 5 months later. I have seen films, multiple films like 2-3 film ka campaign which has been released within 1 month.
So that again, if you're seeing traditionally, sometimes it would take like 4 to 5 months because there would be multiple rounds of scripting, and there would be research rounds. When your script is made, you do some public research before you release it, and then once the research is done, then you have a period of say a week or 15 days when you're locking the directors, you're locking the production house, you're doing costing, you're fixing the shoot locations. 15 days. Also, sometimes this entire process is crunched and done in a week. I've seen that also, that the entire process has been done in a week. So I think it depends on the urgency of the client, but if you have enough time, it would take around 2 to 3 months minimum to get the things out, edit the film and everything.
Thank you, that was great. And with this, I think audience को काफ़ी अच्छे से पता चल गया होगा how advertising agencies work. And with this, we end our episode 1, and we'll meet you in episode 2 where we will be talking about how AI is affecting copywriting.